All right, boys and girls. So today what we're going to be doing is this example right here on the left where we have a nest. This is for the lesson that we were learning N, nest, N. And so we'll go ahead and put this example on the side right here. And let's look at what Miss Kai has done here. So what you needed is a paper plate, so a regular paper plate. And to prep for this art activity, I went ahead and I painted the background blue. And I put a little branch in it because we're going to be making a nest. And the nest is in the tree. So you can use markers to paint, to color the background, or I use paint. And it's just a regular paper white plate. Now, to get the things that I needed for the nest, I went outside right in our school yard and I've got a bunch of grass. You can get twigs and branches and leaves. Just kind of remember what a bird might use to make their nest. Now I have my scissors here so I can go ahead and trim down the pieces of grass that I found. And I'm kind of just going to place it on the plate where I think the bird might have made its nest. Adding in some bits of grass. Just like a bird would make a nest, I'm going to go ahead and like fold it in. And then I had some leaves, so I would go ahead and fill in leaves. Remember, a bird is going to find whatever they find on the ground to make their little nest. Okay, now I haven't glued anything down because I kind of want to watch to see how I want to place everything before I go ahead and do that. And then in our example, we used felt to make the bird. So I did make my bird out of felt. Here he is. And I'm going to hold off on that for now. But I didn't use felt for the eggs. I didn't have white felt, so I just used white paper to make eggs. I'm going to kind of stick it in there in the nest, kind of hidden. I'm going to put another one right there. So this nest has two little eggs. Now that the eggs are like nicely hidden in my nest, I can go ahead and add the bird. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bird right there. Now I'm liking how that looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue everything down onto my plate. Now I just use leaves and grasses, which looks a little different from the example on the left, where they used bits of yarn and little brown pieces of felt. But you go ahead and put whatever you want. This is your chance to go outside and explore and like try and think of when you're doing this activity, think in the mind or the perspective of a bird. You know, would you want something nice and soft, cushy grass if you were a bird to lay your eggs on? And then make it look cute because they might pick up pieces of plastic. They might pick up candy wrappers. What would a bird use to make a nest for its eggs? And then once that's all in, you can use white glue or hot glue and glue it all down. Don't forget to take a picture and show me what you made. All right, bye.